Good morning, Beck here from Beck D Kahuna Massage. So I just wanted to let you know that this Friday, November the 1st, will be my last day at 652 Espresso doing walk-in seated Indian head massage. So it'll be my last walk-in Friday. So if you haven't experienced this massage yet, and you have been watching the feed and you've been seeing me talk about it and you've been seeing other people receiving it, come on down this morning. It's your last opportunity. Of course you can have this massage at my clinic. You just have to book in because obviously you have to set up the chair because there's many other tools that I have in my toolkit that I use to help people feel relaxed and let go of their limitations and release some of the stresses they're under. So this Friday, November the 1st, last Friday, that I will be at 652 Espresso this morning. So come on down, grab a beautiful coffee, grab something delicious to eat, and have a gorgeous massage. $15 for 15 minutes. No appointment necessary. Just come down, put your name on the whiteboard, and when your name's up, it's your turn. See you there. Pop your name on the whiteboard.